Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the camera follow you in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where our projects are. From here we have to select the project that we want to edit. And after we are in the edit menu, we have to tap on the clip that we want to add the follow function to. Here, after we tap on the clip, in the bottom bar, we find lock on. If we tap on this, then the CapCut app is going to load. And after it has loaded, there are three options that we can choose from. It's either to follow the face, the body, or the hand that is in the video. Sadly, it's just for pro users, but nonetheless, this is a great function of the app. After you selected the thing that you want, you just tap on OK and it saves. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.